When multiplying rationales, we are doing the same thing that we do with fractions. We just have variables now. We multiply the numerators times the numerators, so 4x minus 16 times 2x minus 1 over 14x minus 7 times x minus 4 squared. To keep this simplifying as easy and as straightforward as I can, we want to put the numerator and the denominator in their fully factored form. So 4x minus 16 can be factored by pulling a 4 out, which has our x minus 4 in brackets times 2x minus 1. So now I have my numerator fully factored out. My denominator, that 14x minus 7, both terms have a common factor of 7, so I'm going to factor 7 out, which has me having 7 times 2x minus 1. And x minus 4 squared in full factored form is x minus 4 brackets times x minus 4. Now, before we go any further, we do want to state what our non-permissible values are before we start our simplifying process. So my non-permissible values, again a reminder, is whatever value of x is going to cause us to divide by 0. It will be a positive 1/2 or positive 4. Now I can start simplifying by dividing out my factors. So 2x minus 1 divides out, x minus 4 divides out, and that leaves us with 4 over 7 times x minus 4, where x cannot equal 1/2 or 4. For b, we're going to follow the same process. So first thing, multiplying my numerators together, 2x cubed minus 4x squared times x squared, all over top, 3x squared minus 9x times x squared minus 4. Now I want to get my numerator and my denominator in its fully factored form. So looking at the denominator first, my first term there, 2x cubed minus 4x squared, I've got a 2x squared is a common factor in both of those, so I'm going to factor that out. So 2x squared leaves me with an x minus 2 times x squared. On the denominator, I can see that I've got a common denominator of 3x in the 3x squared minus 9x. So I'm going to factor 3x out, and that gives me x minus 3. And with the x squared minus 4, both the x squared and the 4 are perfect squares, and being that it's a minus 4 means I can do my difference of squares, which will have me have x minus 2 times x plus 2. My non-permissible values for this particular example is 0, 3, and plus and minus 2. Now I can start simplifying. My factors that divide out, I have an x minus 2 factor cancels out. My x cancels out one of these x's out there, and that's about as simple as I can get. So 2x squared times x is actually 2x cubed over 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 2, where x cannot equal plus or minus 2, 0, or 3.